Do you know what happens to your body when you incorporate deadlifts into your workout routine? From increased strength to increased metabolism, we are going to look at some of the incredible benefits they offer. It's not just a workout, it's a lifestyle transformation. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in. Number 1. Increased strength. When we talk about enhancing strength, the deadlift stands as a titan in the expansive world of weightlifting. Committing to the formidable challenge of doing deadlifts initiates a gradual and transformative process that reshapes your musculature, fostering a remarkable surge in overall strength. The compound nature of the deadlift engages major muscle groups, ensuring a comprehensive and multifaceted strength-building experience that extends far beyond the confines of traditional weightlifting. Number 2. Increased muscle mass. Let's transcend the realm of mere strength gains and embark on a captivating exploration of muscle hypertrophy. The act of consistently and conscientiously lifting substantial weights during daily deadlifts acts as a potent catalyst for muscle growth, with a particular emphasis on targeting the posterior chain. This not only sculpts a physique that emanates strength, but also nurtures the development of lean muscle mass, leading to a visually and functionally enhanced physique that becomes a testament to your dedication and commitment. Number 3. Increased testosterone production. Deadlifts are not just about building muscle. They also play a crucial role in enhancing testosterone production. This hormone is essential for muscle growth and overall vitality. By incorporating deadlifts into your routine, you stimulate a hormonal boost that goes beyond the physical gains, contributing to improved energy levels and mood. The elevation in testosterone facilitates your body's capacity to build and repair muscles, fostering a comprehensive and holistic benefit that extends to both your physical and mental well-being. Number 4. Improved mental health. While the physical benefits of deadlifts are palpable, the impact on mental well-being is equally profound. The release of endorphins during this compound movement serves as a natural mood enhancer, effectively reducing stress and providing a potent tool in the ongoing battle against anxiety and depression. It's not solely about building a strong body. It's about nurturing a resilient mind, establishing a harmonious balance between physical and mental health that empowers you to navigate life's challenges with resilience and grace. Number 5. Improved grip strength. The seemingly simple act of holding onto the bar during deadlifts has far-reaching implications for functional strength. Beyond the gym, this constant demand enhances your grip strength, offering practical advantages in daily activities. Whether it's carrying groceries or opening jars, the improved grip strength developed through deadlifts translates into enhanced capability and ease in various real-world tasks. Think of your grip strength as the anchor that grounds you in your daily endeavors, providing a solid foundation for both physical and practical challenges. Number 6. Increased metabolism. Envision your metabolism as a fiery furnace, burning calories with optimal efficiency. Introducing the formidable challenge of doing deadlifts daily is akin to consistently feeding logs into that furnace. The intense effort not only burns calories during the workout, but also triggers a post-exercise calorie burn, fostering a more robust and sustained metabolic rate. For those with goals of weight management or fat loss, this could be a transformative and game-changing addition to your routine, igniting the metabolic fire within and propelling you towards your fitness goals with enhanced vigor and efficiency. Now we will see how to do deadlifts properly. Incorporating deadlifts into your fitness routine requires attention to detail for optimal results. Begin with proper barbell setup, ensuring it aligns with the middle of your feet. Maintain a hip-width stance and choose a grip that suits you, double overhand or mixed. As you lift, prioritize pushing through your heels, engaging hamstrings and glutes while keeping your back straight and core activated. Stand tall, shoulders back, and lower the bar with control. Mastering the form before progressing to heavier weights is crucial. Consistency and precision in each deadlift will unlock the full transformative power of this exercise, enhancing strength, muscle growth, and overall fitness. So, whether you're aiming for increased strength, improved mental health, or a boosted metabolism, incorporating deadlifts into your routine is like investing in a holistic fitness portfolio. It's not just about lifting, it's about sculpting a stronger, healthier, and more empowered version of yourself. If you found this video to be helpful, please make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.